up, guys? So today is going to be a bunch of videos pre-day before we're going to go on the boat. Right now, we're in my house, and it's going to arrive at like 3 o'clock, so got all my bags packed up. Oh yeah, I gotta go get my basketball. Stay right here. Got it. And also, I got my beautiful dog with me, Miles. Say hello to YouTube. Wait, no, that's not a dog. Oh, here's a dog. And my sister's getting ready. And, well, she's gonna do it. She's gonna be good at basketball. I'm better than you at basketball.
I know.
So she's gonna be coming with us to Fire Island, and like that's all I'm gonna say, kids. All I'm gonna say. So you're gonna piss me off or not? Bye bye.
Bye.